Bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye, Shunshun! Bye-bye!
Guys, we're going to the airport. We're going to Manila. My birthday, but this is not my birthday today. But mommy said I will go in Manila in June 11, and it's June 11, and my birthday is June 12. So my birthday is gonna be tomorrow, and we're going to the airport.
Going to the airport to Manila to celebrate Sinan's 8th birthday.
We're here na sa airport.
Sean is sleeping.
Sean is sleeping. And mommy also sleep. Tapos I wake her up because we're in the airport. Guys, daddy is getting our bags, and he's gonna put it there. And we are here now in the airport.
We'll go inside later.
Yes, we'll go inside.
Why man cry? Gani. Cry.
Guys, we're going inside, and but Sean is crying. And daddy is bringing the bags inside.
Help mo si daddy. Wow. What's that? What's that? Give lang kay mami.
No. So if Sean is cold.
Saan tayo, ma'am? Manila?
Ilan ba ako sa bag?
Hi guys, we're here in the Philippine Airlines, and we're here at the airport. And Sean is here, and he's standing still. Mommy and daddy are talking there. Philippine Airlines.
Done with his first pupo sash. How was your pupo? How was your pupo? Bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye, Shunshun! Bye-bye! Airplane! Hi, hi! Ayan, 1, 2. Huwag mo na siya hawakan. 1, 2, 3. Lost and found, baby boy. Oh no! It's Sean's first time in the airport. Going to Manila, baby.
Sir, temporary remove lang po. Ma'am, individual po yung pag-abot.
Oh, yun na, yun na.
Hi guys, we're going in.
Hold on your ID and boarding pass po.
Sir, pareho ba ako ng cap, sir?
Sir, yung cap po natin pa rin. Sir, one line lang po tayo.
Hi guys, Sean's first ride. Airplane ride. Hi guys, this is Sean's first time riding with the airplane. Oh, smile picture mo na. Okay, come na ready.
Dali mo tong bag.
Let's go. We're going inside the airplane.
Side, ano, what? Sean!
Masali sa video. We're here. First time to ride an airplane. Airplane. Can I take the window seat? If in case walang tao sa mga window seat, pwede naman mag, ano na.
Saan ba kayo nga?
Dito sa 55. If in case lang balik. Wala man! Mami, wala man! Mami, wala man!
No, here.
Wala man! Wala man! Wow, Shannon! It's Sean's first time here. How was it? Sean! Sean! Smile! 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 Iwan na si Daddy kasi iiwan mo ang kanyang milk. Huh? Sean, is that your toy? That's your toy? Hmm? It's your toy? Sean's toy. To make him busy.
Lahat, buong puso po namin siyang tinatanggap sa Airport patungo sa Manila. Mabuhay!
Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you... For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like...
Hi guys, we're going now to our condo. Yes.
Yes. And later on we would go to the Manila Zoo and if it's raining we're not gonna go to the Manila Zoo, and if it's raining if it's not raining we can go to the Manila Zoo, and it was raining earlier, and then the rain stopped, so we're gonna go to Manila Zoo.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye, see you later in the hotel.